Welcome to 7900 Arbor Knoll on a cul-de-sac into Sarah. This floor plan is built by Wilshire, and it's actually a custom plan in terms of its layout is changed and built nowhere else in the neighborhood, which is this bedroom. The standard floor plan has this as a longer hallway. This plan, we've added it and made bigger bedrooms. Walk-in closets. A laundry room. Dining. Formal living, they use it as. Beautiful living area. They added recessed can lighting, additional. Open kitchen, dark cabinets, granite counters, stainless appliances. View of the lake outside of your breakfast area window. Master. It's a lovely gray tile, accent tile, double vanity. Very large closet. And here's the exterior. Gorgeous view. The amenities in the neighborhood are including a pool, playground, boat ramp, and a pavilion for picnics, outdoor areas. There's currently no house behind this one. You can see a lake through the edge, just over top of that. Very spacious backyard. Home is built in 2018, so it's pretty much brand new.